Okay, so it's time for the unboxing of the iPhone 12. What's today? The 23rd of October 2020, and this just arrived at 1 p.m. A bit late, really. So here's the box, and I've already slid here. You can have a look inside. So exciting! Oh, it just keeps unfolding. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at that packaging. Yep. You can see why they couldn't fit headphones in there. Or they couldn't fit in a power brick. Because look, there's no room for that, is there? Bloody Apple. I mean, they do talk a lot of crap, don't they? Okay, so here it is, still attached to this. And then, alright, just get rid of that. iPhone. Can you tell what color I bought? So, usual thing. Where are we? There. Peel, try not to drop it. Looks so shiny and new. Dun, dun, dun. There it is. I mean, yes, look at that small box. No power brick inside, but I mean, seriously, the actual box that it came in, shipped, there was enough space in it for 2 phones. And then I'll pull this little tab, which does that. And there's inside the power cable, and don't forget, I can just charge this, put this power cable straight into the bricks I've already got, and some little thing here which, what is that? Oh, it's a blank space. Could it be for in France where they have to include the headphones? Anyway, so a little space of nothing. And here's the phone, and we peel this off to show the lovely iPhone 12, 128 gigabytes, blue. Can you see Pacific blue? I don't know if you can really see, can you? You can see my dog Roxy over there. Anyway, so there you go, blue. Pacific blue, you can see me, hello. So that's it. It's just the iPhone 12, not the Pro. So there we go. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.